REWEE Bidet Sprayer for Toilet Portable by REWEE is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. Benefits: rinsing cloth diapers, potty, toilet seats, even in your garden or floor washing. Easy way to operate, and make your home clean. Improve personal hygiene for men, women, young, and old. Hemorrhoids relief by using it after going to toilet. Reduces bacteria. Many more health benefits. Taking few minutes needed for installation, simple to use, available for most of the bathrooms. With zinc alloy trigger, more durable, not easy to broke. Save money and eco-friendly. 12 months warranty. For any reason you are not happy with the product, within 2 months the manufacturer will either send you a replacement or fully refund your purchase. Warranty can be extended for 15 months for sharing the manufacturer's diaper sprayer in your social media. Details please contact seller. Good deal for if you buy more. Details please contact seller. Technical details. Item weight 1. 5 pounds. Product dimensions 86 by 5. 31 by 2. 36 inches. Item package quantity 1 set. Including and comes with everything you need to install completely. 1x handle. 1x 48 stainless steel hose. 1x holder. 1x toilet bracket. 1x brass T-valve diverter. 1x Teflon. Battery no need. Reminder: please turn the T-valve off when stop using the sprayer. Few drops after using is normal. It is better to install this product in the bathroom with drain. Quality. The manufacturer's bidet sprayer is made of high-quality ABS plastic, with zinc alloy trigger. It fits your hand. Light, simple, excellent quality. Most important is, it is suited to your whole family. Easy installation. No professional plumber helping needed. Only 10 minutes, all set can be installed by your own. Health and eco-friendly. It is good to human healthy, it is useful to people's life. No battery need, it is no harm to environment. Multifunctional. You can use the sprayer in toilet, diaper washing, garden, even bathroom or floor cleaning. Warranty, 12 months. The manufacturer guarantee full refund replacement in 2 months, from your first purchase, if you have any dissatisfaction about the product.